Hi family, welcome back to my Duplex series. If you're new here, I recently purchased a duplex in a charming historic neighborhood called German Village. And I am bringing you along for every step of the renovation from start to finish. In today's episode, I started meeting with contractors and making design decisions. We're also going to a birthday party to celebrate my niece, and I will be giving you all the update on my dream closet and my dream investment property. So let's get into it.
Mommy, I don't want a ponytail.
You don't want a ponytail? It's nice and neat now. Look at that.
Mommy, it's so beautiful.
Thank you. So do you. Oh, that's a cute baby. Where's your umbrella? We can be cotton candy besties, okay? Okay, family, this is the hair. This is actually a Unice hair. The curls are very, very pretty, but all I did was brush it out. It brushes out very, very easily. This is the hair I've been wearing for the last, I don't know, over the last couple of videos. I really like it. It is a glueless wig. You just literally take it and set it on and adjust it in the back with the rope. And that's that. Okay, so I have it brushed out. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna use I love this, y'all. All I'm gonna do now is use a spray bottle and just spray a little bit of water on it just to tame it a little bit. I love it big. I just want to control it a little bit. And then I'll grab my brush. Look at that. And it just combs it into place. I get a lot of compliments on this hair, and I love the fact that I can just put it on and go. And it's completely glueless. This side versus this side. Let's go ahead and comb it down a little bit. And once it dries, it's just gonna have the beautiful curls that you see there. So today's my little niece's birthday. Well, the birthday was a few days ago, but we're celebrating it today at a skating rink. This is one of Nadia's best friends. She spent the night over last night. And then on her actual birthday, they spent the whole day together. We took them out. We took them to Dave and Buster's, took them to the zoo, took them to get food. So today's the actual celebration, and we're just taking them to the skating ring so they can have more fun. But yeah, this is the hair. My little niece, her name is Amani. Her favorite color is pink, which is also my favorite color, which is also Nadia's favorite color, even though she says I'm not allowed to wear pink because that's her favorite color. No, she says I'm not allowed to like pink as my favorite color. I told her, girl, I was here first, and that was my favorite color before you got here. So that's a debate we always have. It can go from super big to super wet. You can put products in it. You can put like mousse or anything, gel, anything you want to put in it. For me, I just like to do water because I love when it returns to its natural state, you know, with the curls. Let me show you the back. I have to hurry up and do Nadia's hair too so we can get out of here. But check out the hair in my description box. I'll tag it or link it below. Like I said, it's from Unice and I really love it. Nadia, come here, please. What?
Why do you have to finish my hair for?
I just have to finish it. Let's go ahead and freshen up your hair, okay? This is what Nadia's hair looks like. Then your head. Come right here. Yeah, it just needs a little refresh and we'll be good to go. Okay, so I'm putting some Got2b glue. I'm sorry. Eco Styler gel. Putting some Eco Styler gel in her hair. I'm so silly, right?
Yeah.
What did I call it?
Silly glue.
Silly glue?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Echo Star gel.
Eco Styler gel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. My bad.
This is so nice.
Yeah, I'm so silly. So where are we about to go?
To Molly's house.
Do you know where we're going for her birthday?
Yeah.
Where?
To the zoo.
No, we already went to the zoo.
To the skating ring.
Yes. Do you know how to skate? You do?
Yeah.
I've never seen you skate before. That's how you skate? Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right, well, let's hurry up because they're going to be waiting for us soon. Come here. Come back here. Let's give you some baby hairs. And then we got to get out of here, okay? You got to show me how to skate. I don't know how to skate.
You don't know?
No. Well, then you can teach me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think Amani know how to skate?
Yeah.
Have you seen Amani skate before?
Yeah.
How old is Amani?
I think she's 4 close to 5.
Yeah, she's actually 4. She turned 4.
No, she's about to turn 5.
No, she just turned 4, Nadia. Remember? Whatever day we took you guys to Dave and Buster's, that was her actual birthday. Today we're just celebrating. Okay?
Okay.
All right. We'll do one big ponytail, and we will be
Done.
done. Yep.
Mommy, I don't want a ponytail.
You don't want a ponytail? This is a high bun. It looks cuter like this, okay? I'm gonna put your bowl in first. Let's put in your bowl. And then I'm gonna tie it down. Since we're doing all pink, I'm wearing this spray from Victoria's Secret. I got my Chanel glasses. I have a ring. I don't like to do a lot of jewelry, so one ring on this hand. Let's put it on the middle finger. Nope, this hand. And then I have my charm bracelet from Victoria's Secret. Let's put that on. These might be appropriate. Naya, come here. Let me take the thing from your hair so we can go. All right. So. There we go. It's nice and neat now. Look at that. Then let's just fluff this up and we're good to go, right?
Mm-hmm.
Come here. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, let's go. You gotta go.
Mom, you're so beautiful.
Thank you. So do you. You look gorgeous, Nadia.
Thank you.
All right, let's go. Hey, here we are, ready to go. Okay, so we're sitting here waiting for my niece to come. We're actually picking them up for the party. Here they come now. Look at Miss Nadia in the back. Ah, look. Yeah, look at Amani. She looks so cute. Amani.
Put glitter all on her face.
Oh, it's cute. It's her birthday.
I put glitter, but she put more.
She put more. Yeah. It's cute.
Come on, we have
Let me
to
go
say
grab one more
this.
thing and then we'll work on it.
Okay.
Look at my makeup.
Yeah, your makeup look amazing. I love it.
Yeah, look at my makeup.
Amani, it's your birthday. Nadia, sing happy birthday for Amani.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You guys look so cute.
Let's
Say
do it.
cheese. Let me see.
I'm gonna make her look
You was a
like
baby?
that. Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, that's a cute baby. You're a cute baby.
You
You guys are gonna leave me?
No, I was just backing out.
Oh.
Your face is cute. So we're actually supposed to be meeting up with more contractors at the house today. So right after the party, we have to run over there. Today's going to be the electric guy and somebody for the cabinet. I have like 4 different people give me estimates about the cabinet because that's one of the most important things I want to do in the house. I want a brand new kitchen. So we're gonna be going there to meet up with some of them for that. All right, family, so we got to the party. This is a skating ring, specifically for kids, but adults can come here too. So a lot of people book this place for like excuse me, birthday parties or just any kind of celebration, and some people can actually bring their kids here to learn how to skate, which that is something I realize I have to do, or I need to do, because Nadia told me she knows how to skate. I don't know how, because I know I've never taken her skating before. But sometimes she does go with other family members. She goes with her dad. So I thought maybe on one of those trips, they took her skating. But yeah, she said, I know how to skate and I can teach you how to skate. But this is us right now. But I think this is really cute because this, in my opinion, maybe she has been taking skating before, but not as often for her to know how to skate. But from my perspective, this is her first time being in actual skates. And so it was kind of scary for her. She really, really wanted to learn, and she really was excited to do it. But she just didn't know how. So it's cute because they have these little walker thing that makes them look like cute little old ladies, and they can hold on to it and just walk around the skates and learn how to skate. So after a while, she got comfortable enough to do it by herself. So I think I need to take my baby skating. I need to take her to learn how to skate. So this is something we definitely have to put on the list because she really enjoyed it. So yeah, after skating, all of the other kids started to show up with their parents. After we set up the party, we had to wait a little bit. So the kids who were there were playing around. But yeah, the kids started to come in and they started to celebrate. Happy birthday, dear Bonnie. Happy birthday to you. After singing happy birthday and eating and dancing, we just started taking pictures and chatting. All of the parents are chatting it up. All the kids are taking pictures. It was an amazing time. I got to see my other nieces from out of state. They came in town to visit, and they've gotten so much taller. Anyway, headed back to the duplex now. Party is over. We're headed to the duplex to meet up with a contractor, and it's actually raining. The weather is ugly today, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not raining hard, but it's just ugly. And it's dark. Yeah, this ain't it. So this neighborhood is like a tourist spot. So people are always taking tours. You always have people dressed fancy, going to the restaurants and stuff. And then you have people taking tours, even when it's raining. And look at this guy over here. Where's your umbrella? Anyway, we got to the duplex. The first contractor came in. They did the measurement, as you can see here. I'm still thinking about whether I want to keep the cabinets or just get brand new cabinets. I have a lot of ideas that I want to do with this house, and I'm gonna do the finished or empty house tour maybe in the next video to show you guys all the things that I want to do, all the ideas that I have. I have some pretty amazing ideas for the house. I want to upgrade the house without taking away the charm. This is a charming historic neighborhood, and I want to keep that, but just add a little bit of style to it so that I'm not changing everything. So for the next episode, I will be doing my finished closet tour. I finally decorated the closet. I put everything in place. So I'll be doing that tour and showing you guys everything I've done, where I got everything from. And I'll also be doing a empty house tour for the new house. So definitely make sure to come back for that, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.